Now, under conversion 18, is your website mobile friendly and Google search engine optimized? And so really, you know, it is great for us, but man, a pain for others. And that is, of course, this whole conversion cycle to mobile sites. And everybody watching on their iPads and their iPhones and looking at multiple mediums. Remember how easy it used to be, but not so anymore, right? We have so much more to be compliant with. All of the European compliances, all of the disclaimers, the Federal Trade Commission, all of these things that people don't even know about. It's not even on their radar. That have to be now embedded into the design of a site and things of that nature. And then, of course, the keywords, otherwise known as the meta tags, and things of that nature. And so it's one of the key areas I look for in a client. I had a client the other day, or a prospect the other day, come in, and she's like, I'm not getting any leads to my website. I think I need better keywords. Here's the keywords I'm using, right? So if you're using keywords, they should actually be on your site, and I am able to look and locate them immediately. Well, she had no keywords. So the reason nothing was working is she had no keywords. So that, you know, what she, and then here's the more interesting part, and this really goes back down to what you don't know, you don't know. She said her problem was SEO, but I can guarantee you that if we fix the SEO and everything was pouring to her website, she still would not have converted. And it came down to some of the points that we talked about today that she was completely blind to. And that was the branding was not speaking to the target market. The copy was not speaking to the target market. The images were not speaking to the target market. And the languaging was not speaking to the target market. So even if we poured Oprah level traffic on her site as it was, there would be no result. It would still be a problem. And this is why everything is looked at from a 360-degree viewpoint, because you can't just isolate one piece and say, oh, if I fix this, everything's better, because it doesn't work that way. It's all sequenced together.